So the first way I entertain Damon is making a treasure basket. It's very simple. For this, you need a basket or a bowl and the things that are around your house. Here I am putting his teeth, his soft bristle hairbrush, a new scrubber, a wrinkling packet, rattles, and there you go. You can let him go through his treasure basket and let him explore. At this stage, he wants to explore more things, so why not make this easy basket and he can go ahead and explore it. Okay, so now the second way to entertain him is this easy peasy sensory bottle in which I have just added pasta and cinnamon sticks. And there you go, just give it to him. And he's all happy baby exploring it. Okay, so the third way, or how we entertain Damon, we call this as a pasta in a bowl. In this, it's a very simple one where your baby can explore while you're in the kitchen. All you need to do is put his toys in a bowl and fill it with pasta and let him explore. But make sure that you don't keep him unattended. Here, me and my husband both are keeping a close track on him while he's enjoying exploring.